You can eat this delicious orange cake for dessert or breakfast. I'm not judging. Here's how you make it. Add sweet, seedless orange slices, sugar, eggs, and oil to a blender and blend until completely smooth. You want to leave the skin on the oranges, but make sure there are absolutely no seeds. Once that's nice and smooth, you can start preparing your dry ingredients. Add flour, baking powder, and salt to a bowl, then pour in the blended orange mixture. Mix this together until it's just combined. You don't want to overmix it, otherwise your cake will be dense instead of fluffy. Next, transfer the batter to a greased and floured bread pan and bake in a 340-degree oven for 40 minutes. Allow the cake to cool, and while you wait, you can make a simple orange glaze by combining powdered sugar and freshly squeezed orange juice. Once the cake is cooled, put it on a wire rack with a sheet pan or parchment paper underneath, and evenly pour your glaze over top. Let the glaze drip down the sides for that rustic look. After the glaze has hardened slightly, you can cut slices and enjoy. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more delicious recipes.